Hey, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny. Welcome back to the channel. I've got a package here that I just received in the mail. It's pretty heavy. Let me give you a little hint here. It has something to do with suspension. And it's from Godspeed. Woo! What do we have here? There's a lot of tape on it. Swiss Army knife. Yes. Woo! Alright. Let's close this up so we don't cut ourselves. Ooh, buddy. What's this? If you couldn't tell, these are my upper control arms, so these will allow me to adjust my camber in the front. We're gonna go ahead and install these today. Let's get today started. Looking good, looking good. And here they are. The only downside about these ones compared to all the other options, this is the cheapest set, but they are Godspeed, and I've seen a lot of people running these and they're perfectly fine. The only thing is to adjust camber, you have to do it from the top instead of the bottom, and when you're up in the car it's kind of odd and awkward to do, but we're gonna go ahead and settle for it anyway. So yeah, let's just get this thing up in the air and start changing out these camber arms. Alright, so I'm gonna move the car here into the middle of the driveway. Eric actually has the Civic right now. He's taking it for a joyride. He kind of just showed up out of nowhere in the Forester, but that's a-okay. We like that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead. Now we have much more space right here, and then we can get that front wheel up, take it off, and then start working on these. Also, I just noticed that these are a little dinged up. Actually, you can see it's scratched up right here a little bit, and then this one's a little worse. It's got some scratching right there. So whoever sent these out, yeah, the whole box was damaged too. So alrighty, let's go ahead and move it. Yo, Eric's here. It's lit. Y'all already
What's
know.
up?
Alrighty guys, so in order to install the new ones, you're gonna have to take out these two bolts, one right there and then one on the other side right there, and then what you got to do is take out this one right here. This one's super easy. It's just a cotter pin, so you're gonna use your pliers for that one. Just grab it like so, straighten that out, and then go ahead and pop it out all the way. See if we can grab it just like that. This is a 14 mil. Those two back there are 17 mils. Okay guys, I lied. These are actually 14 mil bolts that hold this piece up. So, and you're probably gonna have to drop your whole coilover or strut depending on what you have. And then I loosened both this bolt right here and then the one underneath it right here, and then that will allow you to take out the whole strut without any problems at all. So we're gonna go ahead and do that first and then take out everything else, and it should be really easy. Also, another tool that we have with us again today is the ball joint separator that we bought last time. If you guys remember from our K-tuned rear camber arm install, this is a very helpful tool. So make sure you pick up one of those to separate this ball joint up here. So once you take out these two down here, this whole thing just kind of moves around, and then you can take off your strut there, take it all the way out, and then you have access completely to these two right here, and then you'll be able to take those off with the 17 really, really easily. And then yeah, that's pretty much the whole install. Here is the OEM plate right here compared to the camber plate. We're gonna go ahead and adjust camber all the way first, and then see how it looks maxed, I guess. So the first one is in now. That's what it looks like. I unfortunately could not max the camber out because, well, the strut actually hits the, I don't know what this piece is, but the really curved piece. I'll show you guys here. You can see I had to leave some space in between, but yeah, there's like barely even a finger's width here. Alrighty, so they have been completely installed. Both of them are on now, and here's how the car looks. No different actually. Don't know if my camber adjustments are good at all, so I'm actually gonna go ahead and take it into a shop, Firestone, and have them align it for me, because I have no idea what I'm doing. But yeah, nothing significant, but you guys saw that the other side was all in, and it looks really good. And now I will be able to adjust things. Also, I took it for a little spin. It's a little squirrely. Definitely steering has improved a little bit, but because of my misalignment, it feels very odd. So we're just gonna ride with it. I'm getting an alignment in a couple days. I've already scheduled it, so hopefully that works out. But yeah, we're gonna go over and kick it with the boys right now. Thomas and Eli are linking up. I'm gonna meet up with them, and then Cannon is starting his own little sticker line, so we're gonna be repping his sticker. He's gonna be joining us as well, so that'll be really cool. Let's get on over there. Well guys, it made it here to Thomas's place, but it was kind of sketchy to drive out here, so kind of iffy, but she's here. And of course, STI's here as well. There's Thomas.
Oh, what's up, my dude?
What's up? Heck yeah, man.
Jesus Christ, man. I'm just washing off these parts, man. Gonna sell them on eBay, you know.
Oh, nice. What you got there?
Just some like emission stuff. People in California, they love this because you know that.
Because they have emissions. The Z just got boosted. Not running yet, but there's a Terpski right there. Oh, actually, let's turn on better light, more light. There we go. See, Terpski right there. Woo! Nice. He got his touch pipe in. Looks good. So that works.
What's that?
So that works.
Oh yeah, that's it. It's all
Nice, dude.
Yeah, it's all hooked up.
Did you one day ship that shit?
Oh, I found a guy.
You found a guy?
Found a guy.
That's sick, man. Eli has joined us too. Thomas is taking off already. There we go. There he is. Look at that boy. Woo! Just finished up some dinner there. That was delicious. Got the boys out here. Fuck you. There's the boys. Yeah. Got some nice Shell station lighting here, so we're just gonna do some nice video here. We got some visitors here. We got Zonny Boy. Zonny Boy's here.
What's up?
That's the man. Eric's here.
Saw dude.
Saw dude. Got Thomas creeping up back there. Oh yeah, he's doing his thing. And then we got this newcomer here. This thing's sick. Woo. Whoa, listen to that. Turns gnarly. Loving these wheels too, man. These things are clean. Yo guys, this is Ethan. Welcome, welcome. Alright, we cruising, boys.
What's up, bro?
What's up, dude? Eli?
Omelette du fromage.
What does that mean, bro?
Cheese omelet in French.
Cheese omelet, yo. have here?
I'm a racer. All right. Well, hey, this looks like the car I blew up.
Yo.
Dead ass.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What we got?
You know, we got the freaking Cobb heat shield, you know, on the back.
See,
Corner of the
I wish
Cobb.
my Camber plates were just like that. That'd be much easier.
Ooh, you're on BCs.
Good choice. Put my Subaru on.
Right, I was in this.
All right, guys, it's Saturday. It's raining. I'm gonna go get that alignment in Tacoma. It's gonna be the sketchiest ride ever because every time I hit a bump right now, it squirrels and it like kind of drags towards whichever direction, so I'm kind of sketched out about it, but we're just gonna go ahead and get over there because I couldn't get my car up and break those tow arm nuts so that I could adjust a little bit of tow before I went. So yeah, we got no time left. Appointment's pretty soon, so I'm just gonna send it up there. Hopefully we don't hit anything. That's kind of my whole thing right now, is I'm kind of scared to drive up there because it is 36 minutes away and I have to take it really slow, so I'll be camping in the slow lane on the freeway. We'll see what's up. Hey, we made it to Tacoma, guys. I'm so excited to be here. I'm literally at the Tacoma Mall, which is right next to Corey's work, which is where we're getting it aligned. It's literally right over there is the Firestone, and I am just picking up some L&L right now. This food is so dank. If you guys are in Washington and you guys haven't had L&L, man, you guys are missing out. There's one in Tacoma. It's the one next to Tacoma Mall, and it is so dank. It's the best one also. There's another one in Lakewood and one in Tumwater, but I think that's it actually in Washington. So if you're in like the south central region of Washington, this is the place to be, man. Ooh, will you look at that? Beautiful. Alrighty, just dropped off the car. And look who's here. It's Ray.
Hey,
Ray came down. We're gonna go run some errands while the car's being worked on. I just dropped it off for Corey to work on it, specifically Corey. So yeah, guys, hopefully that fixes the alignment issue. Ray and I just looked at it and it looks like there's a terrible amount of tow. So I'm just kind of like driving sideways, but yeah, hopefully this alignment fixes all of my issues. It is pouring in Lacey and Seattle right now, but in the middle in Tacoma, it is so sunny today. What the? It's so nice. Yeah, we're going over Point Ruston right now. Shout out to Corey for helping me fix my car. It is now all adjusted. Steering wheel is straight again for now, until we add more suspension components. But yeah, that'll do it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.